Juggling sales? It's no joke. Crafting that perfect email feels like a treasure hunt, while the mountain of client chats and pending follow-ups keep piling up. Well, not anymore. Introducing Flike, your co-pilot that writes relevant outbound emails, figures out when to follow up, and turns objections into deals. It deep dives into all your conversations, CRM activity, and prospects' intentions to craft highly personalized messages. Like a wizard, Flike automatically detects where it can add the most value to your inbox emails and suggests a ready-to-use message. One click, and boom! Work directly from Gmail, LinkedIn, Outreach, Salesforce, and SalesLoft to rapidly craft compelling messages so swiftly, they could even impress Usain Bolt. And the best part? Flike's AI-curated outbox composes targeted follow-ups and replies ready for dispatch. Eager to turn your pending emails into real deals? Try Flike for free today and embrace the future of sales.